Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SpringHill Suites Columbia Downtown the Vista. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a family rooms. This hotel has air-conditioned rooms, a free breakfast made of healthy items and a fitness center. Dry cleaning and laundry services are available. Williams-Brice Stadium is 3 miles away. SpringHill Suites Columbia's rooms have basic self-catering facilities such as a microwave, fridge and a tea coffee maker. Each air-conditioned room has cable TV and ironing facilities. Guests can relax with a cocktail in the full-service bar. SpringHill Suites Columbia Downtown features an indoor pool with ample deck chairs. SpringHill Suites Columbia is 1.4 miles away from University of South Carolina. Riverbanks Zoo and Gardens is 5 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.